So here the question is, given a word, you need to judge whether the uses of capitals in it is right or not. We define the uses of the capital in the word to be right when one of the following cases are hold. First case is all the letter in the word are capital like USA. Second case is all the letter in the word are not capital like leetcode. And the third case is only the first letter in the word is capital like Google. Otherwise we define that this word does not use capital in right way. So in order to solve this question, open your IDE and here we take the test case of x is equal to USA. In Python, there is a predefined function named isUpper which returns true if all the characters in the string are in uppercase. So here we write x dot is upper and we can call this function inside the print statement. If all the characters in x are in uppercase, so it return true. Here it return true. Now let's take leetcode. In Python there is also a function for checking the lowercase is lower which return true if all the characters are in string are in lowercase. So here we write x dot is lower if all the characters are in string are in lowercase, so it return true. Here it return true. Now let's take Google. In Python there is a function which check whether the string with the first letter capitalized in each word of the string or not, which is checked by is title. So here we write x dot is title and run the code and it returned true. So in order to solve this question, here we write return and these words are stored in word. So here we write word dot. Firstly we clear the condition of the USA. Here we write word dot is upper. Then or then we write word dot is lower for checking the condition of the leetcode. And third one, here we write word dot is title and these functions satisfy all the three conditions. And then run the code. Your code accepted and then submit the code. And here the runtime is 36 ms and memory uses are 14 MB. Thank you.